Alrighty, Paul, here's your 363 small block Ford. Gives description of this combination. Got your shelf covers on it. Set of AFR heads. We just got our Dyno manifold carburetor distributor. You must have all your own stuff. Got the Aviaid oil pan. It's a solid roller. This is our 7,000 RPM combination. When her make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 399 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 456. And let's see. Peaks horsepower 565, 7,000. So we rated at 550, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. I'll show you a couple things here. When you see the engine, find this thing look like a credit card. It is a USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. It'll have some data in it. I highly recommend reading it, and have a great day.